when I did them, but we're gonna start back up. And my dad's actually here, gonna guess them. So first sound, and they all say challenge.
That's you making a noise with your mouth. Like
Correct. Not all gonna be this easy. Hold on, this one takes a while. Okay, it's ready. These are all from The Office.
That's you hitting a pad of notepad on the table.
No, but I'll show you what it is. I gotta go get it. No, come here. You're gonna see everything. Like, I'm hiding everything back here. I showed my dad one of the items before, but it wasn't this item.
Oh, open and close and
I'm gonna go put them outside it. Wait, come touch the next one. I actually thought it was gonna be a different one.
stapler.
No. When I was seeing that though, I thought it sounded so much like a balloon. But nope. This is how you to make the sound. Last one. Oh, this is the. Then another one. Did I show you how to make it? Yeah. This one.
That was that one?
Yeah. Oh yeah. I was worried there. I was like, that is it. Move. So, do you want me to play it again?
Yeah.
Do you think you know what that is?
Some kind of a fan.
I'll show you. You could have took this one to your advantage. This is the item I showed him.
Oh.
We still have a few items left. So this was recording 4, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, hold on, we skipped one, I think. No, wait, we didn't. You have to listen very carefully because it makes no noises. Okay, I'll play
A hair
it.
clip.
Nope, I'll show you what it is. Now this really hurt me. And you'll see why now. Now I'm gonna do it again, just for you guys. I was like doing that, and it was making kind of like a sound. Then I was like this. And this actually cannot find in average stores, so. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Let me go see what this is.
A little box of stones.
Do you want me to show you?
Well, just plastic from a wrapper of batteries.
Some of these sounds I even forgot what they were for a few minutes. And I keep listening to them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
A ruler.
It was like going a certain way.
Oh.
And keep going. I forgot to bring it over there. I was like, I hope he doesn't notice. 4, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It was all Mom's desk now. I think
Stapler.
Can I show you what it is? Wait, what is it? Say what you think it is?
Stapler. Oh, you just
No,
dropped
I
it.
think we forgot one. Yeah, we forgot one. What's that? familiar.
And you're twisting something. Like a clicker or something.
What is it? This should be familiar.
Are you twisting your fidget ball?
Now I wasn't holding it to myself. And I wasn't popping the thing out. Okay, we missed one. But I'm going to make the sound for you now because I'm too lazy to go through them. Be back. Tell me if you hear it.
Okay.
Don't come over to me. Do you hear it?
Turning on and off a torch or something. Oh, a pan.
So, let me show you all the items I use to make these. So these sounds are actually really hard. It kind of makes like rubbing against your skin, it kind of makes a sound. Then this one, whenever you open something, it kind of makes a sound. So I was like, why do I make a sound with it? Then this, of course, would make a sound. Then this, I was like, it's plastic. Now I thought I was going to make a sound like this, but I went like this. And I was like, yes. Then, that's easy. I knew you would not guess this because I was waiting for you to say caramel leaf candy. That's what you had to say to win. It makes different noises in real life, but yeah. Didn't work the way I wanted it to. So now I gotta return all these to my mom's desk. But I'm gonna show my mom first.